Hi there, this is Benfang. I'm one of the most popular and expensive Chinese teacher on italki. You know what? Chinese pronunciation is not just about how well you pronounce each individual pinyin and the four tones. There are so many hidden pronunciation rules and tricks which are unfortunately missed in mainstream Chinese teaching. So come on, join my talk at the Polyglot Gathering, and I will share you with those rules, and we will say goodbye to the robotic and natural sounding, and we will let your Chinese to flow as smoothly as the Yangtze River. To supplement this, I will also introduce you the cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool to help you accelerate your Chinese starting journey. Bienvenidos todos a mi presentación. Nos vemos pronto. Chao, chao.